Embark on a journey of curiosity with us. What fascinating questions are we exploring today?
In most cases, coughing is not directly harmful to the placenta. However, intense or persistent coughing might lead to physical discomfort and increased abdominal pressure, which is inconvenient but generally not harmful to the placenta. If you're experiencing severe or persistent coughing, it's important to seek medical advice to manage your symptoms and ensure there are no other underlying conditions that need attention.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.